Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Today we want to show you how you can make yourself Jamaican fried fritters. Look at this, guys. Basically I want to simply say to you, I have a pinch of thyme right here, spring onion and some white onion and some scotch bonnet pepper which I cut up earlier. This is some saltfish and I'm using boneless saltfish. All I did is boil off a saltfish earlier and pick it up very finely and smooth. As you can see, very finely and smooth. Look, a bit of pepper, pinch of salt, and we're gonna show you how to mix it up with some water. Alright, look at the full recipe now, guys. Nice and lovely. So basically, let's see what we're talking about over here. This is the boneless saltfish right here, and it is 300 grams, which is 1 pack. And basically you can get this in any local shop, supermarket, big supermarket. You can get it. It's said skinless and boneless. Alright, you can get this at any local shop, and all you have to do is simply boil it off into some boiling water for roughly about 10 minutes and get rid of the salt. Some people leave a little bit of salt inside of it. Nice and lovely. Alright, so let's go to business now. First of all, I'm gonna put roughly 2 cups of plain flour right there. That's it right there. I'm not making too much. 2 cups of plain flour. And all we're gonna do is simple, I'm gonna use some white onion, and this is half of a medium-sized white onion right here. Let's get the rest inside of it, guys. 2 spring onion, which I cut up very small, as you can see. I got a pinch of thyme, some fresh thyme, and I'm putting everything inside of it like this. Scotch bonnet pepper. I use just a little pinch. Be careful. For you to handle the scotch bonnet pepper, you need to use gloves, alright? It's very hot. So, be careful. I cut it up very, very small, and it's very hot, guys, and dangerous, alright? Pinch of coarse pepper. And all of those saltfish which we just showed you a while ago. Lovely and nice. Mix it up everything like this. And just a pinch of salt, not too much. Just a little pinch. Some people put curry in it, but we're not making curry today. We're making saltfish. So a little bit of water. Add some more. Wow, that's a little bit too much. But that's fine. More water. A little bit more water. So as you can see the mixture, look at that mixture. That is just beautiful, guys. This is a proper Jamaican saltfish fritters. Oh my God, you're gonna love this one. I did the banana one a couple days ago. Look at that. That is beautiful. Really nice. And that's all you're looking for it. So when you pour in the water, you don't want to pour too much water. And then they say, oh, what a chef have been going on with? He didn't tell me much water. If you notice, I take my little time and I had the water. If it is spoiled, you don't want your dough to be too runny. You want it to be like this. So as you can see, how the dough look. Look at that. That's beautiful and nice. Give it a nice, lovely spin. Nice and lovely. Roughly for the 2 cups of flour, probably one and quarter of 1 cups of water. And normally I would say I use 1 cups of water. Alright. Basically some people do use self-rising flour make their fritters. I don't. Because now when I'm a Jamaican, I love to stick to my grandmother tradition. So now we're going to show you how to fry it. And that's one of the most important part. Alright, we're going to show you how to fry your Jamaican fritters. Nice and lovely. So basically you need a frying pan like this. Flat and solid. Next thing, get either vegetable oil or olive oil. Roughly 1/4 cups of olive oil. Basically I got my frying pan about 3 to 4 minutes now, so it's probably a little bit warm, so the oil gonna get really warm very quickly. So my oil is a little bit hot now, and we're ready. Medium size heat. Simple. I'm using this kind of spoon to take up my mixture, as you can see. That is beautiful, guys. As you can see, I'm taking up my mixture and I'll put it in. A little bit more heat. That's lovely and nice. So we're gonna make that fry at least 5 minutes on both sides until you get that lovely color we're looking for. Alright? Looking so lovely and fantastic. So as you can see, I'm gonna turn it over to the other side. Oh, I wanna get that beautiful color. So now I rush with this thing, guys. I wanna get that lovely, lovely color. Alright. Nice and lovely. Yeah, man. Looking lovely and nice. Look at that. Beautiful. And they're fried properly. Nice. Look at that, guys. These one right here, which I'm being fried, they are looking lovely and nice. And these are finished, but look at the color. These one is finished now. So basically, once you see they have that lovely brownish color what you're looking for, that means they are finished. Alright? So basically what you need to do is to take them out and simply put them on a piece of a napkin to take away the grease. Alright? So this one is finished. And this is looking lovely and nice. Look at this. Beautiful, guys. Look at those. Beautiful and really, really nice. Jamaican fried fritters. This is just really nice. So now I'm gonna show you how they look. The one which we just fried, how they look on the paper. Nice one. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, I got them on a piece of a napkin to take out the grease. Looking lovely and nice, guys. Look at that. Beautiful and really nice. So this is how I normally do it. Just like this. Have it like this. Like this. And like this. And like this. like this, guys. That it just beautiful and nice. Look at that, really nice and fantastic. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel. As you can see, Jamaican fried fritters, homemade. You can see all the peppers, the spring onion, the white onion, just lovely and really nice. So enjoy it, and hopefully we can come out with better and best recipe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.